Hello everyone, human reproduction. So, we are going to study the female external genitalia and the mammary glands. Okay, yes, the female reproductive system that also includes the external genitalia, right? Mainly the female reproductive system that contains pair of ovary, then oviduct, that is also called as fallopian tube, then uterus, then cervix, then female external genitalia, and the mammary glands also associated with the female reproductive system, right? So which helps in the child care and the fertilization and some other process. So the external genitalia is also part of the female reproductive system, right? So what it contain? The female external genitalia, what it contain? So it includes mons pubis, labia majora, labia minora, hymen and the clitoris. So here what are these mons pubis, labia majora and the other parts? Let's see the functions and the structure of these parts. Okay. So mons pubis is a cushion of fatty tissue covered by skin and the pubic hair. So the mons pubis region. So this is the mons pubis region. So that is the cushion of fatty tissue and that is covered by hair. Okay. Then labia majora and the labia minora is the region that is around the vaginal opening. So these are the labia majora are the folds of tissue which extend down from the mons pubis and surrounded the vaginal opening. And labia minora are the pair of tissue under the labia majora. Okay. So the labia majora, so this is the labia majora and inside this you can see the labia minora. Okay, labia majora. So that is present around the vaginal opening. Then what is hymen and the clitoris? So here hymen, that is the opening of the vagina, is covered partially by a membrane called hymen. You know that vagina, that is the opening, right? So that opening that is covered with the partial membrane. So that is called as the hymen. The hymen is often torn during the first coitus. So it may be torn during the first intercourse or it can also be broken by sudden fall or the insertion of vaginal tampon or active participation in the sports like horse riding, cycling. So these all activities may also cause the breakdown or the torn of the hymen. Okay, not only during the first coitus, but some sports activities also cause this. So in some women, the hymen persists even after the coitus. So the hymen that is also present even after the coitus in some women. And the clitoris. What is this clitoris? The clitoris is the tiny finger-like structure which lies at the upper junction of two labia minora above the urethral opening. So here you can see the clitoris, that is the tiny finger-like structure that is present upper junction of the two labia minora above the urethral opening. So this is the different parts of the female external genitalia. Okay. Then